Yeah, so hello everyone, and as we have discussed in our previous session related to simple present and that too related to daily routine, now we are heading towards the next thing. What are the real life scenarios which are used in case of simple present? So as you can see, the examples related to universal truth, principle, and facts. So what do you understand by universal truth? Universal truth means which is accepted throughout the world. For example, the sun rises in the east. As we have discussed in our previous example, whenever we use name and sun is a name, so with that we have to add either s or es. So as it is a name, so with this we have to add s. So the sun rises in the east, which is a universal fact. Even though if I say the sun rises in the west, you may not accept because it's universally accepted and even it's proved. Thus, the sun sets in the west. So even with the verb, always we have to add s. Next, we have the principle. And what's the principle? 3 and 3 makes 6. Even we have another principle. Principles are nothing but the law or the rule. Like water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So regardless of the place, if you boil the water at 100 degree, like if you heat the water, it starts boiling, and that is nothing but its boiling point. And moreover, let me tell you a few more things. In your graduation, in your 10th or 12th, you might have gone through many more laws related to like Newton's first law, second law, third law. So if you'll go through all those laws, you'll find one interesting thing is that all the laws are written in only one tense, that is simple present tense. For example, the Newton's third law, what it says, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Thus, it follows a simple present rule. And even if you want to go through any principle or law that you might have studied in your graduation, post graduation, wherever, just cross check and you'll find that it's written in simple present. Next, about the facts. So, as practice makes man perfect, even this is gonna be in simple present. As everyone says, practice makes man perfect, but people they say, why only man? Does I have written human? And it's actually the right practice makes man perfect, not only practice. Okay. So even you can explore few more things. Now let's go ahead with the next use of simple present. So simple present is also used in conditional statement. For example, if you run fast, you will win the race. So in the grammar books, you'll find as principal clause and subordinate clause. But whereas we are into the spoken English course, so here I thought, okay, let me provide you in practical terms. Like if you run fast, so if you'll do the task in present, then you're gonna get the result in future. So in your paper, in your verbal ability test as well, you may find they used to provide if you will run, but that's wrong always. The first condition has to be in present and then the result has to be in future. Like if you run fast, you will win the race. In the same way, if you work hard, you will get the success. So if you do something in present, you will get the result in future. If you complete the project by Monday, you will get the appraisal in this quarter. So if you do this, then you will get this. If your client get impressed in case of IT, you will get promotion. And in case of name or it goes like, if it rains, I will not go out. Or if you run fast, you will catch the train. So there are many more examples that you can do. And the last, in case of simple present, is in case of cricket commentary as well, we use simple present. For example, let's say Bumrah is a bowler and Virat Kohli is on the batting side. So even in that case, you can say that Bumrah bowls the ball and Bumrah bowls a Yorker, and thus Virat Kohli hits the ball and then it goes for 6. So here I'm using all the verbs as in simple present. even in detail, if you want to go through, so you can attend the sessions, and in detail we can discuss. And there are many more scenarios which can be used, but these four are major. What are they? Let's recap once. Here, the first is daily routine. Sorry, daily routine is used in simple present. Even in case of universal truth, facts, principles, laws. Then after we had conditional sentences or statements, you can say, and then even cricket commentary as well. Okay, so these four are the major. Now let's go ahead with our next tense, that is present continuous. So what do you understand by present continuous? Present continuous is used to provide the action which is going right now. Like if I ask, what are you doing? So you may say, I am studying, I am listening, we are writing, whatever the things. But mainly present continuous is used by your friends. How? Let's talk. So whenever your parents they call, what they ask, they just ask that, how are you? And then after they ask, what are you doing? But as your friends they call, what they say, what are you doing? And obviously you're gonna answer that, I'm eating, or I'm watching a movie, or I'm playing cricket, as you keep on saying all these things. But the moment you say, I am studying, obviously your friend gets shocked, and he or she may ask that, is there an exam or something? And then they gonna call you that, okay, let's go on a ride, or let's go to market, or wherever. Thus, if the question is asked in ing form, you just have to answer in ing form itself. Okay, like if we ask to the students, what like where you people are going, so they may say, we are going to college. What Vinay is doing, so Vinay is writing a letter. So here the important thing is that if you gonna use I as a subject, then with I you have to use I am. If you're gonna use we, you, and they, then are is used as a verb, and with he, she, and name we have to use is. So accordingly, if my subject is I, then I have to use I am. If my subject is he, she, or name, then I have to use is. And if my subject is we, you, and they, then I need to use are. And then followed by V4 or V1 plus ing, and then object. So as you can check it out, he is subject, and with he I have to use is, and then followed by ing, and then object. Okay, so this is about present continuous, but it's not over yet. Now the actual movie gonna start. So what are the situations where we can use the present continuous? So let me provide you. You might have seen the vlogging. So in which particular tense they make the vlogs? Actually, they make the vlogs in present continuous, and it starts in this way. Hello viewers, my name is, and then followed by welcome to my channel. And let's say if you're going from one place to other place, for example, if you're traveling from Hyderabad to, let's say, Delhi or Mumbai. So you can say, today we are going to explore our journey from Hyderabad to Mumbai. And as you can say, here we go. Right now, I am at Sikandrabad railway station, and I'm waiting for my train to arrive. So as you can see, my train has arrived. Now I am getting into the train. So only ing form you're going to. I'm getting into the train. I'm searching for my berth. And as I'm unpacking my luggage, then I'm resting. So after some time again, you may say that, yes, so now we are going to reach the Nagpur station. Here, the oranges, like it is famous for oranges. So I am going to buy the oranges. Like in this way, you can make your blog, and just by using the ing. It's nothing but the live thing. So apart from vlogging, in case if you don't get, please comment in the comment section. Apart from this, there are many more things that which can be used, like vlogging. Apart from that, cooking. Even let's say you might have seen the chef. So they make the cooking stuff in live, and in live, as you can say, today I am going to prepare, let's say, biryani, so or any particular recipe. So for that, like these are the ingredients, and after having all the ingredients, then you can say that first I'm going to, like if there is any recipe or curry, so you're gonna say I am going to add oil, or I'm pouring oil, then I'm adding the curry leaves, then followed by chopped onions and whatever the things. This, the main theme is that you have to learn the tenses, I mean the speaking part, with the help of the practical things. Apart from that, even anchoring can be used, like as you can say, now we are going to call so and so person onto the stage, or we are the next program is going to be, like is going to be performed by, or in case of live streaming as well. So for this, please try to comment in the comment section that how live streaming of a news can be said in present continuous, then followed by teaching, and in case of shopping as well, like if you love to shop or if you like shopping, then please make the blog, and even you can or even you can comment in the comment section below how shopping can be done in using present continuous. So this is all about the present continuous. Further, like if you want to have a question, so you can have a look, whereas hardly we use. So in case if you get any queries, so please let us know, or even you can comment in the comment section below. So thank you.